welcome to Roger Journal. My name is Alice. I'm happy to have you back in my Junk Journal with Me video. In this video, I'm gonna journal with Daphne's diary that I cut in the last journaling video. If you haven't watched it, click the card at the top or there'll be a link below. So for today's journaling, I worked with 3 cards that were in my journal here and there. First, I remember that there was a page with cute bunnies in this Daphne's diary. So I wanted to work with them because I love bunnies and it's Easter this week. So I pulled them out from the stash of fussy cuts. One of them was weekly planner page, and you know I love working with planner pages in my journals. So I found this card that I haven't journaled yet on the front. I thought the color tone matches perfectly with the pieces from Daphne's diary. So I glue the planner in the middle and the borders at the top and the bottom. I'm trimming the excess. Then I'm gluing a perfect title for this card, how sweet, and more bunnies. So this card is done like this, and then I wanted to work with this photo. This is a photo of a cartoon cafe. It was the first article in this Daphne's diary and the cafe looked so pretty. So I pulled out this full-size card and placed a photo and a tag from the same article on it. And I pulled out a doily from my September printable and a full-size vintage linen as well. I decided to use it as a background because the blue cross-stitch border went so well with the page. I'm fussy cutting florals from the doily. I cut out 2 florals, one yellow and one tiny little blue floral. So I cut the linen to the size of the card and then started to glue the pieces. Before I fixed the tag on the page, of course I wanted to add a thread. And I pulled out a little word piece that says every day and placed it at the top of the photo. So this card is done here and I moved on to the next one, which is the last. I wanted to work with one of the cards in the envelopes. So I picked this one. It was a small size card, so I did very simple. I placed a yellow floral pattern on the left, a bird painting on the right, and a tag at the top. journaling. So this is how today's journaling has done. It was fun to do on different size and pattern cards, and I like that they have different colors from each other. I hope you enjoy this journaling process. Let me know if you have any questions. And I truly hope you are all staying safe and healthy. I'll see you soon in my next video. I think it's gonna be about washi tapes because I have a new idea on how to organize them better. So I'll talk to you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.